Hello everyone, I'm Mark.
I'm Auni.
I'm Sumiko.
I'm Muhaimin.
And I'm Noel.
And
we are the IGOF.
Our school is SMK St. Anthony, or commonly known as SAS, which is located at Jalan Repok, Bandar Sarikei, Sarawak. There are currently 1,466 students, 102 teachers, and 13 supporting staff at SMK St. Anthony.
Our theme is repurposing waste, countering cost of living, which translates to giving a product a new purpose by applying modern technique which can drastically reduce the cost of living and make our life easier.
Our school faces a major problem in which there are no seats for the students to sit down while waiting for their parents to pick them up.
This can create health problems for the students such as back pain or leg pain as they have to stand up for a long time while carrying their heavy bags. If your solution is sitting on the floor, well, the students cannot sit on the floor as although the floor is cemented, it can be very dusty and hard, making it unpleasant and uncomfortable to sit on. This can stain students' clothes and make it very dirty.
So, we plan to help our school to prepare seats by using waste materials.
And that's why we came up with an innovation to create seats which are simple and easy to build but are very durable and can withstand any weight. Our product is called Easy Block. Easy Block is made up from waste products which are egg trays, plastic bottles, wood pieces and unused pieces of cloth.
The ET block is 33 cm in length, 33 cm in width, and 65 cm in height. The production of a single ET block requires 130 egg trays, 9 plastic bottles, and 2 wood pieces. To make the ET block more durable and lasting, unused pieces of cloth are inserted into the plastic bottles. This is to prevent the bottles from becoming dented. This actually kills 2 birds with 1 stone, as the plastic bottle will make the ET block waterproof too. To further improve the durability, the pieces of wood are sprayed using waterproof paint. The making of ET block will need 8 pieces of Mr. DIY hot melt glue stick, 15 pieces of Mr. DIY screws, and 2 cans of Mr. DIY spray. This is the cost of all those items. Considering this will be used for a long time, it's affordable and reasonable, right?
ET Block can improve and enhance our students' studying experience at SAS and create a huge impact on the school's image in trying to reduce the cost of living by repurposing items. ET Block is a good start in preserving our environment as it is eco-friendly, durable and low in cost.